Hi student, we are learning the fraction and today we will solve my practice time 2. So first question is that compare the following fraction and fill in the blanks greater than, smaller than and is equal to. So my practice time 2. 4 by 7 and 11 by 8. We have to fill in the blank or box the sign which is okay. So there is a 7 denominator, there is a 8 denominator, that's why this is a unlike fraction. So first of all we have to do the like fraction of both fractions. So 4 by 7 and 11 by 8. So both of fraction multiplied this 4 by 7 by 8 numerator as well as denominator, and 11 by 8 multiplied by 7 numerator as well as denominator. So 4 into 8 32 upon 56, and this is 77 upon 56. Now 32 upon 56 and 77 upon 56. Now this is a like fraction, but numerator of this second fraction is greater. That's why this fraction is also a greater. So your sign will be like that. So 4 by 7 and 11 by 8. This is the sign, the proper sign. Now then 9 upon 15 and 21 upon 10. 21 upon 10. Now 9 upon 15 multiplied by 10 because of first fraction multiplied by second fraction's denominator, and 21 upon 10 means second fraction multiplied by first fraction's denominator means 15 into a 15 into a 15. 9 tens are 90 and 150, 15 tens are 150. Now 10 fifties are 150. 15 ones are 15 as of 5 carry 1. 15 twos are 30, 30 plus 1 31. Now there is a like fraction, but the numerator of second fraction is greater than numerator of first fraction. That's why second fraction is greater. So like that. So in this way we have to fill in the box with proper sign. Then question number 2. Tick write the smallest fraction. Tick write the smallest fraction. You have to write like that. So 5 upon 7, then 4 upon 7, then 2 upon 7, and 6 upon 7. All fractions are like fractions. So the fractions which have smallest numerator, that is the smallest fraction. That is the smallest fraction. Now Again we will take another example. 6 upon 18, 5 upon 18, then 7 upon 18 and 13 upon 18. All are like fractions, but the numerator of this fraction is smallest. That's why this fraction is smallest. So you have to think about the numerator and you have to find out the denominators are same. It's like fraction. Whenever you are facing the like fraction, you have to think about only a numerator. The numerator which is the smaller, that fraction is smaller. Now, question number 3. Arrange the following fraction in the ascending order. Like arrange the following fraction in the ascending order. That is 25 by 37. Then 18 upon 37. Then 9 upon 37. Then 5 upon 37. And last one is 20 upon 37. And we have to write it ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So 25 upon 37, then 18 upon 37, then 9 upon 37, 5 upon 37, and this is 37 into 1, that is 37 plus 20, that is 57 upon 37. Now we have to write here ascending order means smallest to greatest. So first will be this one first, then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth. So first is that 5 upon 37, then 9 upon 37, then 18 upon 37, then 25 upon 37, and last one is 57 upon 37. So this is the way to write the ascending order. Okay, ascending is smallest to greatest. Smallest fraction will be come first and greatest fraction will be last. Then 5 upon 16, then 1 3 by 8 and 21 by 32. There is a unlike fraction, that's why we have to find out first LCM of all these fractions. So 5 upon 16, then 8 ones are 8 plus 3, that is 11 upon 8 and 21 upon 32. Now we have to find out the LCM of 16, 8 and 32. 16, 8 and 32. There is a 6, there is a 8 and there is 2. That's why we have to divide all these numbers by 2. That is 8, 4 and 16. Again 2, 4, 2, 8. Again 2, then 2, 1, 4. Again 2, 1, 1, 2. Again 2, that is 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So LCM is equal to 32. So 5 upon 16, then 11 upon 8 and 21 upon 32. And we have to do the denominator as a 32. So into 2 into 4 into 4. There is no requirement to multiply any number. So 5 2s are 10 upon 32. Then 44 upon 32 and 21 upon 32. Now 10 is smaller than 21 and 21 is smaller than 44. That's why the fraction 10 by 32 will come first, then 21 by 32 and then 44 by 32. So this is the way to write the ascending order. And question number 3, that is you have to write the descending order, exact opposite of this question. We will take one example. That is 9 upon 17, then 3 upon 17, then 2 whole 5 upon 17, then 10 upon 17 and 1 whole 1 upon 17. And we have to write the descending order. Descending means smallest to greatest was ascending, but greatest to smallest, that is descending. So 9 upon 17 first, then 3 upon 17, then 17 to the 34 plus 5, that is 39 upon 17, then 10 upon 17 and 17 are 17 plus 1 18 by 17. Now which is the greatest number, that is 39. This numerator of this, all the fractions are like, that's why we have to think only about the numerator. So which numerator is greater, that is 39 upon 17. This is first, it will come first, then 18 by 17, then 10 by 17, and then 9 by 17, and last one is 3 by 17. So this is the descending order, because of 39 by 17 is greater than 18 by 17, 18 by 17 is greater than 10 by 17, 10 by 17 is greater than 9 by 17, and 9 by 17 is greater than 3 by 17. So this is the way to write the descending order. So some questions are taken here and remaining questions for your homework. So I hope that you have understood better. Thank you.